Hi cheese lover, hope you are doing well. If same as me you are dying for cheese, I'm going to show you today how we make a very simple recipe straight from France. It's something quite simple, but I'm sure if you do that recipe you're going to impress your friends or your family. So today we're going to do the cheese fondue from the Savoie side, which is the Alps. It's very typical from there. So what we need is quite simple, some cheese, which you can easily find in this big supermarket, French one, starting with letter C. So the cheese that you need is the Comté, the Beaufort, and the Emmental. You need like 150 grams of each cheese. Of course, you need a bit of grape, some garlic, and after as a garnish, some beef cold cut, a bit of pickles, and we're gonna add some nutmeg in the preparation. So to start this recipe, of course, if you don't have this kind of traditional pots that we use for the fondue with the burner under, you can easily do it inside a pan, and you can keep it on your burner to make sure we keep it warm. I've already chopped my garlics, of course, so I'm gonna add the garlic here. I put my grape, so there's like 30 cl of grape. Okay. Let all this mix boil a bit. Grape and garlic, they're starting to boil. Cheese, Comté, Emmental, Beaufort, 150 grams per cheese. This is a recipe for 2 people, so this is what you need to make this recipe. Half for now, and this is where you need to start to whisk. I'm gonna add the rest of the cheese. You know, it's very simple, guys. Just to finish, a bit of nutmeg powder, just to give a very nice taste. Et voilà, your fondue is almost ready. So keep it on your burner. If not, the cheese is going to be very, very chewy, and you can start to dip. That's what we're going to do, because we have this special pot. We're going to put everything, look at that. This bread, please guys, keep it for at least 2-3 days. Okay, if you are using some fresh bread, it won't work. It has to be like a bit hard to be able to dip it inside. Bon appétit!